to the almighty. Girl pretty in a off-whitey. Living life, man, I pre your IG. Skin soft, so you need your ID. And girl, you a queen of a nation. Dark skin girl, they ain't related. Tryna be like you, so they hate and they liking the juice that Jamaican. I think
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I'm coming to you with another eyeshadow tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's just get straight into it. Right, so first thing we are going to do is prime our eyelids like I always do, and I'm just using my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. Just gonna put a little bit of that on my eyelids, and then I'm gonna use my fluffy brush and just blend that nicely. Okay, once that's nicely blended, what I'm going to do is go with my Tammy's Tropical Twilight palette, and I'm going to take the color Sunrise, which is the orange shade right here, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color. So I'm just literally going to pack it into my crease first. Okay, so once that's done, what I'm going to do is take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go with Horizon, which is this dark brick red-ish shade. It's like a brown slash reddish color. I'm just gonna put this on the outer and inner part of my eye, and then just drag it into my crease like so. Okay, once you're happy with the blend, what I'm going to do is take the color Night Sky, which is this nice blue shade. Actually, first I've changed my mind. Right, we're going to go with Ocean first. So I'm going to take this darker blue shimmery shade, so this one right here. I'm going to use that first, and then maybe we put Night Sky right on top. So I'm just going to use my nice flat eyeshadow brush and just place Ocean right in the center. Oh wow, that's a beautiful color. That's gorgeous. Yeah, we just want to keep it in the center. So with the shimmery shade, you just want to keep it in the center of your lid. Don't really bring it all the way to the front or all the way to the edge. Just keep it right in the center, like so. And what I want to do is I'm going to take Night Sky, which is the lighter blue, and we are going to pop that on top of it. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's actually so pretty. Right, okay, once you're happy with that, what you're going to do is go back with this smaller blending brush that we used before, and I'm just going to blend everything so that is nicely blended. Okay, I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is just apply my eyelashes and put on my face also off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that my eyelashes are done and my face is pretty much done, we're going to move on to the face. But guys, I love my eyes. They look so cute. It's so cute. Right, for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I've gotten back to this because I've neglected it for too long. So my shade is 430. Just gonna grab my foundation brush and apply that all over my face. Let's add one more pump. Okay guys, so now that the foundation is nicely blended, we're going to move into highlighting. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 390 and just highlight on all the areas that I usually highlight. Okay, then I'm just going to take my Creation Beauty sponge and just blend all of that. Okay, now that the concealer is blended, I'm just gonna set it with my black opal powder in medium, which is mixed with the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. Okay, so once that's set, I am now going to set the rest of my face. And I've literally just ruined my dress now. Oh my god, my dress is full of powder, but we move. Right, I'm going to take my black opal powder in the shade Dark to set all of my face. Gonna go a bit overboard today because it's really hot and I don't want to be too shiny, so everything needs to be set right. Okay, so once that's all fully set, I'm just gonna quickly finish off my eyes. So going back with the Tammy's palette, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use the shimmery blue on my lower lashes as well, because do I want to do that? Maybe I do. I'm gonna take Night Sky and I'm gonna pull it on my lower lash line. Okay, and I'm also going to take in my inner corner. Okay, in the inner corner, I'm gonna add a little bit of Ocean on top of it. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Ooh, don't fall. Right now, I'm going to bronze my face. So I'm gonna take my Tammy Tropical Twilight Face palette. And then grabbing my bronzing brush, I'm gonna take Bronze Bell and just bronze away. Okay, and then I'm going to blush. Taking my blush brush, I'm gonna take Blush Baby Girl. I'm gonna set my face with my Avon setting spray. Okay, now we are going to highlight. I'm gonna take this Vivid Bronzer from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna take my pencil brush to highlight my nose. And then I'm gonna take my fan brush and just highlight my cheeks. Okay, and then I'm going to blend that with my blush brush. Okay, now for lips, taking my Glory lip liner from Revolution. Just gonna line my lips with it. Okay, and for lip gloss today, I'm gonna take this Kiko Milan lip gloss in the shade 08. I'm gonna give the Revolution lip gloss a break. Okay guys, and that's me done. I love my eyes. They look so good. It's like a whole ocean, the whole ocean sea is like on my eyelids right now, and I love it. I absolutely love this look. I look so good. Guys, let's appreciate. Actually, hold on, see, I forgot. Lower lash mascara. I always do this. Let me do my lower lash mascara, because that's probably why it still looks good, but we're gonna bring it together. Okay, there we go. Mascara is done, and yeah, I think the look is now complete. But guys, I'm so in love. I love this look so much, and I just came up with it today as well. I need to start planning my looks the night before, but even when I do it like 10 seconds before, it still looks good, because wow, you did that, girl. But yeah, if you guys really like this makeup look, then please make sure you leave me a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, girl, please help your girl out. Make sure you hit that subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you can get notified when I upload next. But guys, Guys, this is beautiful. Are you kidding me? Mate, you're gonna drown in this ocean. Drown. I'm drowning all of you. Everybody's drowning today because wow, my eyes, yeah. Yes, and I'm loving my braids as well. I love having braids. But anyway, guys, right, I need to go and take some cute pictures because yes, I look great. Anywho, guys, so yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah. No, yeah. Mr. No. Oh, my done,